In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Etsy linked right inside ChatGPT so you can streamline tasks without jumping between tabs. I'll keep the process clear and simple, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where you manage your account preferences and, most importantly for today, where you'll connect apps. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. Click into it. Here you'll see your current connections and the options to discover more. Look for the button that says Explore Apps or, depending on your view, Add More. Both take you to the same place, a catalog where you can browse available integrations. At the top of that catalog, you'll notice a search field. Click the search bar and type Etsy. You should see the Etsy app appear in the results. Select it to open the app's page. This page gives you a short overview of what the app can do and what information it may need access to in order to work correctly. When you're ready, click Connect. At this point, simply follow any on-screen instructions to finish linking the app. You may be asked to sign in to your Etsy account or to confirm specific permissions so ChatGPT can communicate with Etsy on your behalf. Take a moment to read the prompts so you know exactly what you're approving, then continue. Once you've completed those steps, you'll see a confirmation that the connection is successful. After connecting, you can return to the Apps section in Settings to verify that Etsy now appears among your connected apps. If you see a connected status or a similar indicator, you're all set. That means ChatGPT and Etsy are linked and ready to work together. If Etsy doesn't appear in search, it may be temporarily unavailable in your region or not yet visible to your account configuration. Make sure you're using the latest version of ChatGPT and try again later if needed. Also, if a browser pop-up was blocked during the process, allow pop-ups for ChatGPT and retry the Connect button. That's the entire process. Profile at the bottom left, open Settings, go to Apps, choose Explore, or Add More, search for Etsy, click Connect, and follow any prompts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having Etsy connected to ChatGPT.